Wait, I don't know what's right.
You know?
I just have to like.
Damn. Oh, this is not important.
This is Cornell Discovery Channel. Actual beaver dam here.
Wait, why do beavers make dams again? Like they just
Yeah, and then. 우와. 우와.
remembering. Yo, he probably died.
Who love to follow quiet trails. You know, later we have one for Matthew. Matthew leaving. 남의 아버지 등산복 뺏어 입고. There's no fence on from now on too.
Bro, I think there's a dead body here.
Ah, yeah, stop. It's so scary. Dumb ways to die. There's so many dumb ways to die.
Well, what are you like? Is it interesting or?
Dumb
everything good?
ways to die. Do you know this game?
The blue blob.
Oh.
Wait, is there a ply?
This is the bed.
I think it's this one.
Oh my gosh.
So they both are
Oh, are they both?
And this one does it a bit more.
Ooh, this is so fun. Wait, I actually feel like being an engineer now. We have an issue, we open it up.
I was too scared to do anything.
So we don't necessarily have to even remove it to disable it. The way you disable the fan is you.
It's so cute.
Right next to an agency. Have you been to Syracuse University?
It looks so.
It's like 5 times better.
Solo housed. I usually prefer housing them in like groups of mice.
Wow. Say hi. I'm dying. Oh, is it like... How does it look like? A block? Shift register.
Oh wait, no, not shift register, not these. It's like placeholders. Because if you like plug it in directly into the board, you can't like replace it. It should be like placeholders.
AE holders?
No, it's not any of these. I don't think it's any of this. No, it's not these. These are actually electronics. I think it's over here.
Oh, like this one I'm doing, right?
Yeah. So you can like. Okay.
We can go, right?
Oh, we went to use the metal thingy.
Really?
To solder. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Why is it my solder? Ice. Wait.
It's this one, right?
Yeah.
Check that it's this side and not some other side.
Okay. It's 8. Be careful. Too bad for me. Edwin, we had so many here. We should have came here the first place. Where the heck is the flux pen? Too bad for me.
And this is a better wire too.
Why do they have to have a clock like this? Oh. I hate Cornell. And then, done. Like this?
Yeah.
We have 3 hours. I always regret. What if I can't submit?
I don't know. Wait.
It's just like penalty?
I don't think so. So basically,
Yeah.
you want the voltage.
Yeah.
So if the connections are like good, that means the voltage is gonna be 0.
Oh,
If
please.
they're bad, it's gonna be like error. So basically,
Oh.
we just take this pin and we just like clap it together. Voltage, do you see? It's like very
Yes!
small.
Yes!
So we look at each pin. Okay.
You have to see every single pin?
Yeah. In Yvonne's lab, he has this device that will beep if it doesn't work. This is the same thing. Is it close to 0?
Yes. Yes. 0.015. 0.01. 0.009. 0.007. I think it's right. Now I feel like we have more red, right? Ah! Now it's 11:11. Oh, 11:11. The field. I've submitted. 아, 너무 배고파. So hungry. Wait, let's see.
Actually, it's perfect amount of slices.
It's cute. Oh, so good.
Did you finish your thing?
Yes, but I didn't check. Oh. Da 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 da.
I feel like if you don't know what's on, it's like so hard to get through this class. Without like, it's like literally like bang, smashing your head against the wall. Yeah.
She's like flying around. Sorry. Too funny. She's gone now.
Bro, she's just hiding behind the room. Oh, she actually is gone.
힘들 때 웃는 게 인류니까 나는 웃어보겠어. 하하하.
금방 얻은 거니?
오늘도 진짜 잔둥만둥 다크서클 보이시나요? 나중에 이거 안 없어지면 어떡해? 레전드.
예. 이거 뭐야?
하나씩 가져가.
한두 번 해본 솜씨가 아닌데? 사실 야, 여기 포토존도 있고? 포토존. 야, 우리 있을 거 다 있어. 너무 예쁩니다. 미국 샐러드 사이즈입니다. 10인분이야?
이거 15인분.
우리 먹어도 돼? 냉장고가 아주 꽉꽉 찼어. 와. 아니.
It's a lucky day.
There is. Edwina bought us drinks, and then we're gonna try to get free cheese. Where's the goat?
I don't know. So cold.
Wait, we can film the cow on the way out.
Let's line up behind the yeah. It smells like it, but
That's good.
Thank you.
Might get a bite here.
look.
Take the big one.
Why? Why? Thank you. But I love steak.
So good. It's like Outback steak.
I love steak.
Let's eat once again on the way out. It's so good.
Oh my god.
It's so good.
Put on the outdoor out. Good. And now we're gonna see baby goat.
Where's baby goat? Oh.
Oh, that's scary.
Popcorn?
No.
Oh. Where's baby goat?
Caitlin is so funny.
Average Cornell experience.
Wait, they pissed lost.
This is also a goat?
Yeah. I think that was cow.
Oh wait, sorry. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Momo.
It's so cute.
Wait, it's so white.
YouTube. I unboxed the Minecraft movie Happy Meal. And I have fine box, I think.
Oh, wait, today is a day.
Yeah, I'm so lucky today. Edwin bought me a drink. We got free steak, we got free cheese, we got free yogurt. See, this is what I
Free
get
Minecraft meal.
for waking up early today.
She already blushed even before. This is our third birthday together. Try it on.
Wait, they're hard.